In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add QR code to Squarespace. If you want people to jump straight to a specific page on your site just by scanning with their phone, a QR code is a simple, reliable option. In Squarespace, you can generate a QR code for an individual page right from your site's settings. I'll walk you through the exact clicks. First, go to your site. Sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to work on, so you're looking at the site dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one. It helps to confirm you're in the live site, not a demo, so the link the code points to will be the right one. Next, click on Pages in the left-hand navigation. This is where all of your site's pages live. Decide which page you want people to land on when they scan your code. Popular choices include the home page, a booking or contact page, or a menu or event page, anything you want to share quickly from print materials or signage. Now, find that page in the list and open its settings. You can do that by hovering over the page title and selecting the Gear or Settings option. This opens the Page Settings panel. You'll see several sections here depending on your template version, but don't worry, we're only looking for the QR code control. Finally, enable the QR code. Look for the option labeled QR code or Enable QR code and turn it on. Squarespace will create a scannable code that points directly to this page's public URL. Once it's enabled, you'll see the code associated with that page, ready for you to use. A couple of quick tips. Be sure the page is published, not in draft, so scanners don't hit a dead end. If the page is password protected, scanning will still lead to the password screen, which can be fine for internal use but isn't ideal for public flyers. And before you share it broadly, test the code with more than one phone to confirm it opens the right page quickly. That's it. You went to your site, opened Pages, entered the page's settings, and enabled the QR code. From here, you can add the code to posters, table tents, packaging, or presentations so visitors can get to your content with one scan. If you later rename the page or change its URL slug, remember that a new QR code may be needed to reflect the updated link. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your Squarespace content easier to access with a quick scan.